guys, I'm in Merrit right now, and I'm on my way to Camp Caribou. It's a long weekend, so a lot of us are gonna go camping, and I stopped here at Kekuli Cafe. It's an Indigenous eatery, and they have Bannock bread and all kinds of Canadian stuff, like Indigenous things. So if you look here, Kekuli Cafe. Really cute spot. They have Saskatoon barbecue chicken, deer tacos, wild sockeye salmon tacos. This is all the Bannock bread. My favorite is the cheese one, but they don't have it today. Maple glaze is really good. So I remember when I was in Saskatchewan, Chantal and Vincent taught me how to make Bannock. And now here I am at this cafe where they sell Bannock bread. It's really good. Look at their t-shirts. Super cute. Organic coffee. We have like Indigenous artists here. Saskatoon's tea leaves. They also have like Saskatoon smoothies, Saskatoon iced tea, lavender lemonade. They have lavender latte. It's really good stuff. A lot of maple stuff, maple latte. I ordered the beef taco, and it comes with Bannock bread. So the guy said the only difference between the traditional way would be that the Bannock bread's at the bottom and not served on the side. And I ordered a maple latte. It's a really cute place.